I decided to create staking tool instead of buying it just for fun. It costs the cheapest one around 100 euros, and I decided to make it myself. I had such metal rods which I cut handles. Just was a lot of tires. Maybe it is stainless steel. I don't know. It is not such large diameter. It's just 4.5 millimeter. I think it is okay for my purpose. The problem was for me to find parts which I can use, heavy metal. And I recently bought on some shop where old kitchen stuff is this waffle maker, which was not electric, but you can put it in the stove. And it was 2 parts of this, and this, I believe, cast iron. I used this on the other part, so you can see this actually something like this. One part, one half of the part, another half of the part, and from on this side I used part of it to make this wheel, and this I used my new created milling machine to mill this side here and here, and actually here as well. This wheel I just cut with the grinder and then use it lathe to cut it. This is a bolt. Yeah, I use it. So it works like this. So I need to put some sharp point. As you can see, it is pretty loose. And then with this lever I can just fix it. It is that fix it. Otherwise it loose. So it's just regular eccentric which I made. Just a regular bolt actually. This one. And I cut it on the lathe with the shift 1 millimeter from the excess. And here we can take this away. Special hole for this. This is a bolt for the furniture, which has the large head, 8 millimeters, and I just cut the hole. And this you can see the pattern actually for waffles from other side. This pattern I made with the thin file manually. It still makes these black marks on hand. Maybe I need to paint it. And then this need to be very flat and perpendicular to this hole. So those two should be perpendicular. This hole I just drill it 2 holes, large one and this one. And when you put this, need to have this hole inside, and you see it also have little small shift, so it's not coaxial with the hole of the base. It's 1 millimeter up. So I just mark it in this center, take it away and move it, mark a little bit, like 0.5 millimeter, and then I drill the hole. And this is what make this eccentric work. So we can put this washer here, this one here. Hole is not tight. And then when we press it, push this bolt down and fix this. Heavy enough for stay stable. This hole a little bit larger than I need. I know there is an option also to make another hole here and put the ball with the spring, which would push this rod to one side, so it can be fixed on some distance if it is needed. It was an interesting experience. Thank you for watching. See you next time.